Okay, welcome back. This is video 3, and in this video we're going to show you how to complete the rest of your data table, identifying the climate zone, the sea surface temperature in the summer and in the winter, and also the surface air temperature in the summer and in the winter. And to do that, we're going to use our National Geographic Map Maker. And what we're going to do is, first of all, we're going to take a look at Helsinki, Finland together. And we'll do some of these together. Okay, and then I have to hit enter. And that will take me to Helsinki. And you should have already had a marker for Helsinki. It was number 3. And the text box for Helsinki okay. And you can also turn on your latitude and longitude if it's not on. So again, that was right here in this box. And then I turn those on. Okay, now when I hover at Helsinki, it gives me the latitude. And what we're going to do next is change the base map. Just make it a topo map just so you can see the difference. You can try some of these different maps and see what they do. Okay. I'm going to leave the topo one on. And this shows topography, which is how the mountainous, flat the terrain might be, the land might be, how mountainous it might be. Okay. All right. So the next thing then is under here we have layers. So we have to click on the layers box, and we're going to click add a layer. Okay. And under climate and weather, you're going to find the climate zones. And we're just going to add this one. We're going to do one at a time. Okay, so you click on it, so it'll have a minus, which means you've already added it. Okay. And we're going to then click done. Okay. And now if we take a look at our map and we scroll out a little bit. Okay, why is that not popping up here? Maybe I have to change my base map. Something's fishy here. Maybe if I zoom out more. That's it. I have to zoom out more. I was on the water. Okay, so you can see that Helsinki, Finland is this kind of pink color. Right, so to figure out what climate zone that is, okay, this pink, what that climate zone, that color represents, we go to the legend. And in the legend, okay, it gives you the climate zone, which is humid, cold climate, no dry season. And I think you might be able to highlight it and copy it and paste it into your data table. Nope, that didn't work. So you'll have to type it, or if we're doing this on paper, you're going to handwrite it in. What's going on here? Okay, there we go. So you'll have to write in humid, cold climate, no dry season. Okay, so humid, cold climate, no dry season. Okay. All right, so that's how to find the climate zone. And now let me go on to show you how to find sea surface temperature and surface air temperature for those same locations. It's pretty similar. We go back to the layers. I'm going to close the climate zone layer. I'm going to add a layer. And I believe your surface air temperature for summer and winter are located here. Okay, so again, you'll just click on it, hit done. And then you can zoom out a little bit and you can see that Helsinki, Finland has this darker kind of orange color. And if you're not sure, you can make the transparency a little bit darker. Okay, if you make it lighter, you can kind of see through it. We're going to make it darker. And again, click on your legend, and you'll find that the surface air temperature is 41 to 56 degrees in the summertime. Okay, you can record that then in your data table, and that was surface air temperature, I believe. Surface air temperature. Okay, and again, 41 to 56 degrees. Okay, and to put a degrees symbol in, if you're typing it, you go to the Insert Special Characters. You type in degrees or degree, and it gives you a degree symbol, or in this case, it's a degree Fahrenheit. So we're going to click degree Fahrenheit, and that puts that in. Close that. Okay, and then finally, to find the water temperature, okay, under that layer, again, you'll have to do the surface air temperature for the winter, right? But then to do the water temperature, we click on the water category, and we have sea surface temperature for summer and also for winter. So if you add that layer, and click Done, you can then zoom in and find the water temperature in the closest location to that country. Okay, and it's this green color. And again, if you click on the legend, you can find out what the temperature is approximately. So you'll have to estimate it, figure out between 2 degrees Celsius and 35 degrees Celsius, and you can put water temperature in Fahrenheit if you'd like, what that temperature is. Okay, add that to your data table, complete that for the rest of your cities, and you'll be complete with this project. Thank you for watching. Good luck.